Would you choose Birmingham or Torremolinos? We're actually a team here, yeah?
Yeah, we are team. ZF quality and quantity. Working together. That's what our management dream about. I am secret. I look for Russian submarine.
Alright, so here is Torremolinos town center. Nice place to visit. Or to enjoy your coffee in mornings. Here we have some prices. Let's say are quite acceptable. Okay. And also some interesting sculptures. This is also a nice place to have a beer. As can be seen, this is quite crowded. So if I'm not wrong, it's 27 degrees today. Yeah. Okay. Really good temperature for having a bath into the sea, of course. Yeah. Nice view also from here. Interesting stores they have here. You can actually find whatever you want here. Stores everywhere. This is actually the last day for us in Torremolinos. As usual, we are heading to the seaside. Nice square they have here. So this is Torre de Pimentel. So it's actually a tower. Probably this was a guard tower in the past. Well, I've got some beers with me, so hopefully they will not get warmer till I will get to the seaside. Alright, so the area is called Playa del Biondillo. Quite interesting architecture they have here. So this is practically the shortest way to the seaside. As you can see, there's plenty of stores with souvenirs and stuff like. Nice hotels they have here. Okay, nice piece of art we have also here. Another interesting statue. So this is practically some sort of square near the seaside.
What you have to understand today is tomorrow we fly very early, so it's important, Daniel, that we're on time. I've already had a message from Ryanair saying we need to be at the airport 3 hours early because of security queues and slow throughput through the airport. So today we can't get paralytically drunk.
Yeah, indeed.
Which I know. I am a bad person to be saying this because it's normally me that goes first, but we even need to drink less, which is not going to happen, right? Let's be realistic about this. Or I think what we need to do, we need to move and drink, because you'll burn it off. So I think we just walk and drink, because we're going to drink anyway. Whatever we do, we're going to drink.
Well, as I said, let's have a walk. I have some beers with me. Let's go.
I've got plenty of food.
This is actually a very good day, you know, for getting a tan. So I'm gonna get that for sure, even if I'm completely red. Well, about me, I've switched to lobster mode. A trip to the beach can have amazing health benefits. The beach can immediately relieve stress. Say hello to the camera.
Hello, I cooking sardines.
Mate, that's awesome. What you have here, you know, I mean, this barbecue, it's awesome.
Cooking sea bass, sea breed, turbo, everything the fish.
So it's fish, yeah? It's only
Yes, the
fish.
and sometimes meat.
Sometimes meat.
Big meat.
Big ones.
Big one, kilo, like this. For the it's olive.
Ah, okay.
It's olive free.
Yeah,
I
okay.
cooking with olive free.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Have to look not the time. When it's ready. I don't look the time.
Ah, really?
Ready. Okay.
Ah, okay, so you just
I cooking when it's ready. It's okay.
really nice, mate. I appreciate you. Nice one. Nice one. Okay. Have a great day. I think we're gonna stay here at least 6 months.
Están grabando para la posteridad.
Simon, why would you recommend Road Forks Offbeat?
You know, it's interesting. There's a few different subjects. Cameraman gets a bit too close, to be fair, but I can handle that.
I do like to have
And I know
closer
the
looks.
mic's not remote, so we need to do that. But the main reason I'd recommend it is because I'm on it.
We're actually a team here, yeah?
Yeah, we are team ZF quality and quantity working together. That's what our management dream about. Oh. To say hola, gracias. That's it. I am secret. I look for Russian submarine.
Would you choose Birmingham or Torremolinos? I think this is the right answer.
Yeah, face. Yeah,
It's on.
face is up here. Ciao, bella. I have fur for you. It's shaped like my heart. This one has chocolate inside, so